Okay, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up ManyChat, which sends automatic DMs when somebody leaves a comment on your video on Instagram or on your reel. So the first thing you're going to do is you're actually going to go to ManyChat.com. You can sign up for a free account. You can see here that there's a free one. I think the only thing with the free one is it will add sent by ManyChat at the bottom, but the pro one's 15 bucks a month, and it's totally worth it because I've signed up over, I think it's like 6,000, 6,500 people to my email list just from using ManyChat, and I've made a bunch of money doing it as well. So yeah, I'm going to show you how to do that. Go to ManyChat. You're gonna have to sign in, connect your Instagram. This is approved by Facebook or Meta, whatever you want to call it. Well, I'm just trying to find where they say that on the site. They are a partner of Meta though. Anyways, so I'm just going to close this. So the first thing you're going to do, like you go down here to automation, you can see all my automations here. I've been using them for a while, and you can see how many people sign up for each one. So I'm going to just show you. Usually I just duplicate one because I'm doing the same understanding SEO course over and over again because people are signing up. It's free and people seem to like it. So we're going to do a new flow here. Just click on the new flow button, and then you're going to choose what you want to do. Convert Instagram comments into sales. I think that's the one that I would use. I don't really use the stories one. I don't do that as well. So click on convert your Instagram comments into sales. If you don't see that there, comments, just search comments, launch giveaway, propel your real comments into sales. So there's so many things you could do here. So convert your Instagram comment into sales. So how does it work? I'm going to set up a template. So they do have a brief video here. I'm just going to delete that because I don't need that. So here you can set it up. So any post or reel, you could just do this, on your entire account. But I don't want to send the same message to everybody who comments on my thing because that just seems a little bit spammy. So what you're going to do is click specific post or reel and then select publication. And you already have to have this or have posted that reel. So you can go here and you can click on a reel that you want to do. For me, what I like to do is because I have the pro one, next post a reel. So before I even post the reel, I can set all this stuff up. And then as soon as somebody comments, it will automatically send them the DM that I'm about to show you how to set up. So comment contains specific words. You can say like, leave a comment on or comment checklist on this video, and I will DM you a link to the checklist. What I've found though is a lot of people will misspell it, or they'll add different words, or they'll, checklist will be 2 words, or they won't spell it right. And then they'll get mad because you didn't send them a DM with whatever it is that you want to give them. So comment contains specific words. I just do comment contains any words because I say leave a comment on this video if you want to receive blank. And then here, this is something cool that you can set up as well. I don't do this on every single video because I get so many comments that Instagram stops this from working, and then I can't comment and engage with anybody organically. So if you aren't getting a ton of comments, then sorry, I had to pause for a second, but so public auto response and feed, here you can put your responses in. You can actually put a bunch and it'll cycle through them. So not every comment's the same. You can say something like, great, just sent you a DM. Another one, but check your your DMs, just sent you something awesome. And then you could add, I think it's up to like 10 or 15 of these. So it'll cycle through those. So it'll look more organic on the front end, like it's an actual person and it is you. But like to keep up with all this would be impossible, especially once you have more followers and once you have a lot of people engaging. So, public auto response. Yeah, leave that on. I have next post or reel. Again, you can do, a specific post. You just have to select which one you want to do. So next post or reel, and then, so that's this one here. This is the trigger. So when somebody comments on your video or on your post or reel, then it'll do this, whatever this next step is here. So Instagram reply and DM. Hi, thanks for your comment. Here's your link. Just click on this, go to continue, and then here you'll be able to edit this. So you could say like, hi, and you could even do, which one's this? You can even do first name if somebody has their first name there. I don't necessarily like to do that because not everybody has their first name or they just have random names on their account. So I just say, hey, here's your link to whatever it is I promised, right? I would obviously write something like, here's your free link or your here's your link to my free course called Understanding SEO. Just sign up below, up below to get full free access, whatever it is. And then down here, you click this button, and then you could change what the button says. So, um, get the free training. Oops, might be too long. Get my free training, whatever it is. And then here you're gonna have a link. So I'm actually like, this is exactly the process I'm going to do. Except I'm not going to send you to YouTube. I'm going to, and you've obviously gone through this process. So I'm going to send you a link to sign up to get this. So I will email you the link to this video. So once you give me your email address, you'll get an email with this video that you're watching. So if you're watching this video, you went through the process, you know how it works. So just change this link to whatever you want here. I'll just do heytony.ca for now. So if somebody clicks on that when they get the message, that's what's going to happen. So yeah, here's whatever I promised, get my free training, and then all you have to do is set it live. I'm not going to click set it live because I don't want to post this exact thing. I'm going to change it up. And if you're watching this, you'll know what that whole process looks like. So that's how to set up ManyChat, and it'll stay on that video for as long as people are engaging with it. Like it'll stay on it forever. As far as I know, like I have videos from like months and months ago. People are still commenting and they're still getting the free, whatever it is that I was promising, free understanding SEO course or a free checklist or a free, video like this. And it just helps grow the email list like crazy. And what this is also doing is getting you engagement on your Instagram account, not just on your public content, but Instagram is also looking at how many people are engaging with this profile, or yeah, I guess profile. Um, and the more engagement you have, even though it's not public and people can't see it, that's going to do a lot for you. And it's going to keep anybody who's in your DMs and they're clicking on your stuff and they're engaging with you, whether they say thanks or whatever, they will probably see your stuff higher up on their feed, and they're more wow, I can't talk today, and they're more likely to see your content. So yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's ManyChat. It's actually really easy to set up. This tutorial is like 8 minutes long, and I over explained everything. So it honestly takes me, I don't know, a minute to set up an automation now. So I set up the automation, put my video on Instagram, and then as comments start coming in, it starts doing all this stuff automatically. So yeah, good luck. Bye.